Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast. Fox 54 Weather.
Now, Emily, cursive writing is making a comeback, but to be honest with you, I personally didn't know it ever left.
I knew that it left just because I do have cousins in the younger days from me who they kind of faded cursive out. But when I was in school, I had a literature class and we learned it, like we had to.
Yeah, you kind of learned that at like first, second grade, no?
Yeah, it was about them. But how do they sign legal documents is my question.
That is a good question.
Let's go ahead and jump out to our Fox 54 radar. Rain is staying well off to our east. We're going to continue to sit under a sunny sky for the moment until the sun sets, and then it looks like we'll be clear heading into the overnight. So we're going to stay dry as well. So temperatures right now are still pretty comfortable out there, mid-70s for most, 73 right now in Fayetteville, 73 in Arab, mid-70s in Florence, mid-70s in Scottsboro as well. But it has been pretty breezy today, and it could feel cooler than what our actual air temperature is. Now, these are wind speeds. These are not our wind gusts. So we could continue to see wind speeds up to around 20 miles per hour through at least the overnight. So heading into the overnight, it looks like temperatures probably going to be hitting the upper 40s, low 50s for some of us potentially. We'll continue to sit under a clear sky, and we could see some patchy fog develop. So if you are out late on the roadways tonight, I don't know what you're doing on your Friday night, but if you are going to be out late, just keep that in mind that some fog could develop. So heading into the rest of tonight, like I said, it is going to be pretty quiet. Temperatures eventually going to drop into upper 40s, low 50s by early tomorrow morning. Your Saturday, though, it looks very pleasant across the Tennessee Valley, and we're not expected to see really any sort of clouds tomorrow. And notice temperatures. We're expected to hit the low 80s for most of us, upper 70s for some. 80 in Huntsville right around 3 o'clock, 83 right around 3 o'clock in Florence, and mid-70s in Fort Payne. But we're going to have a dry cold front that moves through sometime late tonight, early Sunday. So we'll notice a difference in those high temperatures between Saturday and Sunday. So for tomorrow, like I said, low 80s, upper 70s for some. We'll continue to see plenty of sunshine. Speaking of tomorrow, if you are planning to head out to any of the games, I've got listed right here. It's going to be nice to do so. So Alabama versus Tennessee right around kickoff, 81. Low 70s if you're headed to Auburn, and UNA is in Florence, and it looks like temperature is going to be in the upper 70s by the time we get to kickoff. We don't have really any rain in the forecast for at least the next 5 days, so if you are wanting to run your car through the car wash, which what I may be about to do after this newscast, is going to be nice to do so. We do definitely need that rain, though, because the entire Tennessee Valley has now been upgraded to the severe drought category, but it does look like we could have some relief in store for us heading into the last week of October. So it does look like we will see some rain eventually. 7-day forecast, low 80s tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. We'll keep sunshine in the forecast until we get to about Thursday of next week. We'll start to see a partly cloudy sky move through, and it looks like this time next week, a few showers going to be possible. Kanisha?